Okay, I'm not sure how well this video is gonna come out, but we'll try. Right now, I have the car running here for about 5 minutes. I've got a constant oil drip that is not coming from the pan or the valve or the nut, but it's actually, we'll catch a drip right here. It's coming off my splash guard from right, you know. Right there. Sorry, I'm adjusting. Yeah, you can see it's coming out. There we go. Sorry, I don't have a lift. So the lines are not, they're not tight. There's a bunch of play. So it's not that they've been like over stretched or something. They are actually really happy where they are. I am trying to get an angle. The stainless braid coming through, and right there, oh boy, there's your connection. Let me see if I can catch the oil coming out. It's kind of hard to focus, but you can see a little bit of the discoloration from the oil on the bottom of the coupler there. Hold on, it's not coming from the connection. The connection is tight. It's coming, yeah, there you can see on the underside of the silver fitting, the stainless, I guess, it's running down there. It's not coming out of the fitting. The fitting is dry. It's dripping off the aluminum nut coming from the stainless side. And unfortunately, I can't get a shot of the crimp from here. I had it actually at a Mazda dealer, and they had it partially disassembled on a rack, and you could see up higher on the line where the actual crimp is on the stainless braid. It's getting everything underneath it wet with oil as well. I know this video sucks, but I'm sorry. It's the best that I can do without a lift and tearing everything out of here. This is a little bit better of an angle. You can see the oil is kind of pooling off the underside of the stainless part of that fitting, and it runs along the black anodized nut, and that's where it drips off. And the way this is oriented, that is the line, sorry, that is coming off the front line here, and then the back one is kind of hard to see from here, but it is also doing the same thing. So up here on the filter side, everything works perfectly. Lines are clean, lines are dry. There's not too much stress on the lines either. There's plenty of play. So they're not, let's see if I show you here, it's not like they're stretched out or torqued or anything like that. I used the included thread locker on everything here. So aside from that crimp under there not seating right, it's so hard to tell. I am so sorry, but you can see everything directly under where that crimped line is now just soaked in oil coming off of it. I do not know what the options I have at this point are, but you know, I purchased the kit to make, you know, maintenance on the car a lot easier. And aside from that leak, it does, but at this point it is now affecting my tech inspection for track days with a constant drip underneath. This is, I've been out here for about 10 minutes making this video, and that is the current puddle that has come in this amount of time. If there's anything that can be done about this, that'd be great. Otherwise, I guess a return, or I'll just rip it out, because this is doing more harm than good to the car at this point.